All right, today we're going to bring a water toy for your kids ages 2 and up. But look at these two kids are having fun. So we have this little spinner here. Water comes in here, splashes down. So if you grab some water here, you throw it on the top. Look at the water coming down. They could have fun. You could have a constant water hose playing. Look at how much fun they have. And they have these little toys, additional toys. You could clip them in here, add more water to it. So to spin, lots of fun, great for summer.
You want to catch with me?